हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये आपके 30 जून का न्यूज़पेपर एनालिसिस है, द हिंदू। तो पहले हम इसके अंदर पढ़ेंगे अहेड ऑफ सेंसस स्टेट्स आस्क टू लॉक बाउंड्री चेंज बिफोर दिसंबर 31। विजाता सिंह, न्यू दिल्ली। इसमें आपका लास्ट कॉल अराउंड 24 लाख enumeration blocks finalized for the 21st census are likely to be used for the 2027 count. Up again, Maharashtra scraps new 3-language policy. Panel formed to decide future of the policy for primary classes and submit its report in 3 months. Positions experts say decisions a victory of Marathi people. Express doubt about the panel's role. थर्ड है आपका मोदी पीपुल हैड वॉन अगेंस्ट एमरजेंसी ऑन नीतीश प्रूफ चिराग वॉज टू ट्रांसफॉर्म बिहार। स्पॉटलाइट at Tigrotop wall for mango farmers. Mango farmers in Andhra Pradesh, Chittor district, which recorded a bumper yield of over 10 lakh tons this season, are staring at massive losses as they are forced to sell their produce for half the government mandate price of 8 kg, owing a delayed procurement by pulp making units. For MSP enforcement alleged conclusion among factories are logistical bottlenecks arising out of global conflicts have exacerbated their plights. के उमेशंकर। Meghalaya murder chain laptop seized during raid. In Telangana, Amit Shah asked Maoists to drop guns, join political ministry. Union Ministry warns ultras that they won't be spread if they pick up guns, urges them to take cue from ex-militants in Northeast, questions Telangana Congress for suggesting dialogue with Naxals. TN opens 13 shutters of Mulupiyar Dam. Officials ask residents to stay alert. Compulsory injunction order set to make secret child marriages difficult in Banswara. Jumba in schools. Kerala government seeks an end to row. MP DGP says people alone cannot curb rapes, blames porn, liquor. A total of 7,294 rape cases were reported in MP in 2024, with an average of about 20 cases per day across the state. Probe on after dog seen with newborn's body in its jaws in Haryana. In page number 4, Lankan Navy arrest 8 TN fishermen Stalin writers to center for their release. CM requests Union Minister Jaishankar to ensure safe reputations of the fishermen. Also urges initiations of proactive diplomatic engagement to handle fishing-related issues with island nation. Balasore in Odisha on flood alerts as major river is split. Uttarakhand Panchayat polls to be held on July 2024, 24 and 28. Surajwala to meet Karnataka Congress MLAs amid rising dissent in state unit. Azab barred from visiting burns victims. Kin his supporters attack police vehicles. Closer for Kin as last AI crash victims identified by DNA cremated. Old wands, new arrested. More than a decade after tribal communities in Odisha, Narayan Patna block launched a movement against liquor vendors from outside their community, which led to a struggle to reclaim their lost land. Arrest warrants are now being effected against them, promoted by court order and executed by the police. People say they are being punished for a mass uprising, while the police claim that people associated with the Chasi Mulia Adivasi Sangha have Naxal links. Page number 6 is earlier later colonial era laws to new criminal codes. Revise, revisit digital search powers under the IT Bill 2025. Language of unity. Uniformity should not be confused with national unity in language policy. Whites on greens. Wimbledon, Wimbledon, London, mites to Djokovic best chance for a 20 slump. The forced sterilization of emergency. Too many players waiting in the wing. The overcrowded political landscape poses a challenge to DMK and Adimk. Boeing faces headwinds from crashes and competitions. Boeing is financially struggling as operators have gravitated towards companies such as Airbus. Slide teaching may revolutionize education. Page number 8 is why is the ACI delisting political parties? What are the requirements for registering a political party with the Election Commissions of India? What are the benefits enjoyed by registered and recognized political parties? Does the Election Commissions have explicit power to deregister a political party? Why did Assam's 4 need 28 hours to reach the ISS? Why did Assam Space and NASA specifically are SpaceX Dragon Crew capsule for this mission? How will the new US visa rules affect online privacy and security? Why is the US administration vetting social media profiles of visitors and students of the US? Can prospective visa applicants remove their social media entirely in order to avoid the hustle of such online scrutiny? Why are minors especially vulnerable to such policy change? You need to rein in your temper. His endeavors to become a political are rather famous in his hometown. What is the meaning of playwrights out tennis Srikala Reddy? What is the difference between reason and rein in Rajendra Singh? How is word and the words pronounced? Grotham Sankar. This is a rather formal word consists of 3 syllables. The first in pronounced like the word in, while the next syllables rhyme with the word of never. The word is pronounced in Devi. With a stress on the second syllable, it comes from the Middle English endeavoring meaning to exert oneself in order to fulfill one duty. Nowadays, the word is mostly used to mean to put in your best effort while attempting to do something. Test to yourself on the history of the championship at Wimbledon that start today. Manipur delegation to meet Home Minister officials today. The team drawn from 3 media group will focus on territorial integrity, opening of highways, rehabilitations of displaced people and security for farmers living on periphery of Imphal Valley. Haryana village son's family of Navy clerks arrested for spying. Young men in the village have been cautioned not be indulged in illegal and anti-national activities. Census state told to fix boundary changes. Regulators says airlines are delaying reporting of misconduct of passengers. Congress flash proposals to review mining operation in Sheshkha Tiger Reserve. Puri 3 dead, over 30 injured in stampede during Rath Yatra. Adarsh Saji elected SFI President Srizan General Secretary. Muslims hold rally in Patna seeking rollback of Waqf Act. India rejects Pakistan's claim about attack in Waziristan. People had warned against emergency, says Modi. Those who imposed the measure had also intended to enslave the judiciary, says PM in his Man Ki Baat at Adarsh. He highlighted wider reach of government's schemes, women-led development. Education system is rendered in Bihar Congress. People take to stress in Kolkata and intensity to protest over gang rape. Trinamool in a tight spot over remarks by leader on gang rape of student. Congress slumps governs silence on reported jet losses to Pakistan. RLD pushes for Brahmin Welfare Board or for uplift of community. On Nitish Traf, Chirag goes to transform Bihar. Education system is run it in Bihar Congress. Will we get justice? 162 students rescued from inundated schools in Jharkhand. Huge quantity of explosives seized in Jharkhand forest. 2 killed after landslides hits hotel site in Uttarkasi. 7 people missing after disaster triggered by cloudburst. NDRF, SDRF and police carrying out search operation on a war footing, says District Magistrate Chardam Yatra suspend for a day. Monsoons cover entire country 9 days ahead of schedule. Reservation chart set to be prepared 8 hours prior to departure of train. At ISS, Shukla takes up experiment on skeletal muscle degradations in space. Disclose PDS to ensures cover note. Generated tax efficiency in debt oriented funds. Debt funds are taxable at your marginal slab rate. There are certain funds that are taxable at 12.5% at the risk return profile of the fund is not exactly same as debt fund but similar. Taking decisions. Senate pushes ahead on Trump's tax breach and spending cut plan. Russia launches the biggest aerial attack since the start of the war. Strike by customs official shuts down Bangladesh's biggest port. Ugandan, Kampala, Washington, KV, Dhaka, Kampala. Ugandan leader Yoweri Museveni 80 to 6 re-elections next year. Children among 23 killed by Israel troops in Gaza. Israel order Palestinians to evacuate parts of North Gaza. Trump retreats call for truce, saying make the deal in Gaza, get the hostages back, military to warn Netanyahu that expanding fighting to new areas in Strip may endanger remaining hostages. Court postpones Israeli PM's appearance in Graf trial. UK government condemns death to the IDF chants at Glastonbury Music Festival. At least 71 people killed in Israel's attack on Tehran's notorious even prisons, Iran. Bangladesh was most credible polls in its history. PM Karni has a pragmatic approach, wants reset in India ties, says XNV. Bakhand Pass. Djokovic's honest take on Sabalenka's level of play. Tough ask. Swiatek slumps to intense schedule for top start. Pioneer Maharaj, first South African spinner to take 200 wickets in Test cricket. Uh, reprimanded. England fined for slow over rate in first WT 200I against India. Onus on Gill to pick up the pieces and boost Team India's morale. The new captain's situation is eerily similar to that of Kohli's in his first full-fledged Test series as skipper during the tour of Sri Lanka in 2015. The fact that the 25-year-old has come good with his batting would do his confidence a world of good. Of Murir Ali and shaping cricketing careers. Best chance for a record 25th slumps title. Chelsea downs Benfica after a weather hit last 16 clash. Zimbabwe in trouble despite Williams' torn against France Pessi. Norris holds of pastry for Medin, win in Australia and season's third. The MC Larin driver cuts his teammates' championship lead for 22 to 15 points. World champion Verstappen crashes out early after a collision when Antonelli start gets delayed after Sainz's car catches fire in the pit lane. Ronaldo Prearranging records sixth World Cup over CWC. Manisha Brace helps Indian women blanks Timor-Leste. Nikhat downs Kalpana through to the semi-finals. Tanvi and Ayush make it to US Open badminton final. July 31st is the deadline for mandatory registration of coaches. Tevin Tide waits for no one. Former England batter Larkins passes away at 71. Championship leader Mark wins Dutch MotoGP. SAI Centre Bengaluru, the go-to venue for athletes seeking world-class facilities at home. Horha Warriors win Bengal Pro T20 League title. Fritz love affair with Eastburn continues. The newspaper is and